How to create collections on Shopify Store. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So it's actually pretty easy to do. Once you are here on the home page, you want to click on products. And once you have clicked on products, you can see all of your products, but also you can see over here on the left collections. And if you click on here, this is basically what it will look like. It will show all of your collections. Now by default you have one collections called the home page, but if you would like to create another one, you can always go to the top right corner and click on create collection. Once you've clicked on there, it's actually pretty easy. You can give it a title, a description, and collection type, and all of this. So I'll just fill in a couple of stuff and then I'll show you guys real quick. And by the way, if you are interested in using Shopify, then make sure to click the link in the description or the pinned comments under this video to start for free and then enjoy €1 per month for 3 months. So if you are interested in using Shopify, then make sure to grab the link in the description and try this out for yourself. So good luck with that. Okay, so I have just added a very quick title and description. Obviously, this is not like actually enough for a good title and description, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I just added something real quick. Because here at the bottom, you can basically see how it will look like in the search engine. So this is basically how it will look like. So you can, for example, if I, for example, add stuff, you can see that this changes. So you basically have a live preview of how this would look like. Now here you also have the collection type. So manual or automated. Manually is add products to this collection one by one. So that's literally manually. Automated is existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. This is actually very good. And here you have to actually select the conditions. So products must match all conditions or any condition. You can choose which one you would like to choose, but basically these are the conditions. So product tag, so it must have a product tag is equal to, so for example, product tag is equal to, and then you can add a tag, or you can, for example, do price is greater than, and then you can add a, for example, €20. So if a price is greater than €20, it will automatically be added to this collection. You can also do equal to, is not equal to, is less than, stuff like that, or inventory stock is greater than, blah, blah, blah. You can set these conditions so that it will automatically be added. You can also just keep it on manual if you would like to. Now here on the right, it says publishing will be included in 2 sales channels. So you can, for example, select these 2 or deselect one. It's basically what you prefer. And you can also add an image of your collections. So in this case, pet products, I'll just, for example, do a quick dog toy as an image, for example. And here you also have theme templates. Well, I don't have any template, so I'll just go with the default collection. But then I can just click on save. And once you are happy, this is basically what it will look like. Now, if I click on collections, you can now see that we have 2 collections as we speak, but we have only one product in here. So in order to add a product to a collection, what you want to do is click on products, then go to this product. And then over here, we have collections. We can select pet products and, for example, remove the homepage, or we can keep it on there if we would still like to. You can have products in multiple collections. Simply click on save, and that is basically it. Now, if we go to collections, we can see we have multiple products in here. So yeah, that's how to create collections on Shopify.